human beings exhibited by other human beings. In zoos and circuses, theatres and anatomy rooms, at colonial exhibitions and world fairs.
Ces hommes et femmes étaient mis.
You can see more about this video on colonial crimes on the Dewe Documentary channel on YouTube. Many interesting things in this video and I will discuss it. How the Aborigines were colonized before being brought to the human exhibition. At the beginning of the occupation, the British carried out a measures in 1806. Hundreds of indigenous people were shot and beaten to death. Recorded in the Independent newspaper report in 1997, there were many cases of rape which eventually transmit deadly disease to Aboriginal tribes. The white nation wanted to rule the Australian mainland and get rid of the indigenous Australian tribes. They broke up bodily conflicts because they treated the indigenous tribes badly. In the Australian Colonial Archive, it has been confirmed that from 1824 to 1908, at least 10,000 Aboriginal people were killed. The archive also mentioned some of the victims who died for being toy material for the white nation. How did P.T. Barnum collect the people to be used as a human exhibition? By writing 100 letters to American commercial agencies and consulted around the world to send him primitive people to raise a collection of humans from around the world whom he calls freaks. Irishman Robert Cunningham fulfilled Barnum's request. When he heard about the new letter, he was in North Queensland where the Aboriginal people live. The place of the Great Exhibition in London. The Crystal Palace was originally built to host the Great London Exhibition of 1851, a world exhibition type exhibition that highlights the technological and artistic wonder of the vast British Empire. Engineer Joseph Paxton was inspired by the basic structure of a giant water lily to create an ever-large conservatory, culmination in the design of spectacular large exhibition hall, which he designed in just 10 days. Original sketches are now in Victoria and Albert Museum. Over the years, Crystal Palace has been a venue for performance, exhibition, concert, football matches, or soccer and other entertainment. On the night of 30 November until 1 December 1936, it was almost destroyed by fire. The surviving tower was finally destroyed in 1941 as it was considered a striking landmark for incoming German bombers. Eye-catching Pygmy people. The most well-known group of pygmies and those who use the term most often are the pygmies in tropical Africa. Elsewhere in America, a few bushmen of the Kalahari are dwarf size. There are groups of dwarfs commonly known as negritos in Asia. The similarity in physical characteristic of the African and Asian group in the result of their long-term adaptation to a similar environment. The famous dwarf group from the Ituri forest in Congo, Kinshasa, provide an example of a culture that has not changed as a result of acculturation with neighboring communities. Known collectively as Bambuti, they are probably the earliest inhabitation of the area. That's an interesting thing that I found. Actually, there are many interesting things from video colonial crimes from the Dewe Documentary channel. If you are curious, you can see it on the Dewe Documentary channel on YouTube. Thank you.